anything. Who are you?
Sorry?
Who are you?
An officer that works here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can I see your warrant card?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you look like you were just about to go home. I don't want to...
I was just about to shoot off.
Yeah, go. It's Friday afternoon, man. I don't want to keep you, like...
Alright, what are you filming, buddy?
Just anything that I want to film.
Alright.
Is that okay? Sergeant?
It's alright. But it does make draw a bit of interest in it, eh?
In it, eh?
Alright, chap. Okay, you've been spoken to before about filming out, yeah?
No, I've literally just got here.
Have you?
Yeah.
First time?
First time.
Alright, I'll leave you alone, alright?
Thank you. So is he going to circulate it or what? Yeah, no, see. Yeah, see, that wasn't enough. I think he's going to go and make some inquiries, but yeah, we'll pick it back up.
This is where it all begins, calm, composed, and subtly disarming. The Auditor introduces Southampton Central Police Station with confidence, even referencing a familiar figure who had audited here before, setting a tone that feels relaxed yet intentional. There's light humour and ease in the air, but beneath it lies a sense of anticipation, the quiet build-up before tension unfolds. With the camera steadily recording in a public space, the objective remains clear: observe and document. A brief exchange with an officer reflects surface-level professionalism, yet subtly hints at the scrutiny to come, drawing the audience in with the expectation that this seemingly simple moment is about to escalate.
Looks like we've got company. I don't know if they're going to come for me or not, but... Look at the size of this one. The size of this guy on the right. Look at the size of this guy. Yeah, I'm alright.
You know, buddy, right?
Yeah.
We've just been asked to come down here to see what you've been doing.
Yeah, I haven't
just a
really.
visual conversation with the selfie stick on.
Yeah.
And
Are you recording?
I'm recording, mate. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Brilliant. So we're both recording.
Do you mind letting me know next time you start recording?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
The size of this guy.
Recording audio and visual. So I just wonder what you're doing.
Yeah, the same.
Okay, I'm sure in the safety of the building.
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Just filming.
Okay. If you could come up in a public area, that would be brilliant.
This is public.
More than entitled to. Okay, reports saying you've been going around the back.
No, I haven't. Definitely haven't been around the back.
Around
Well, if I have, then I'm not there now, am I?
Okay, that's all I'm saying.
Okay.
So if you don't go to a private area, it'll be absolutely fine. There'll be no problems. All right.
Okay. This isn't a private area.
Thank you.
That's not what we said. If there are, it's around back.
I'll stop recording now.
All right. No need for the attitude. Could you identify as well? Would you mind identifying? I can't hear you, mate. I will pick it back up.
That's what you're doing, sir?
Yeah, I'm making a video.
Of what?
The police building.
Okay, why are you filming people's cars when they're coming out?
The atmosphere quickly shifts as officers begin to gather, turning a casual observation into a focal point of attention. What started quietly now draws numbers, with cameras effectively pointed in both directions. An officer steps in to challenge the filming, probing the auditor's intent, but is met with a calm and firm assertion of the right to record in a public space. This marks the first clear test of boundaries, where subtle yet undeniable tension emerges. Authority is now fully aware, and the discomfort is evident as the situation begins to escalate.
Aren't they?
Yeah, because they're in public.
Well, they're not in public at the moment.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
All right.
You want to see my ID?
Yeah, I would really expect you to show it to me. Yeah.
There you go. Detective Sergeant
Detective.
Jamie Wiseman.
DS, yeah.
Okay.
And any detective work to be getting on with, or
Well, no, I'm due to be
more
going
worried
home now.
about? All right, then go home then.
No, I'm more worried about you filming people's private cars. Police officers get a bit jumpy about that.
Why?
Why?
something
Because
to
people
hide or
don't like
something?
us.
Okay,
Some
well
people have a
I'm
vengeance
not.
against police officers,
Well,
and
I
you're
don't-
filming our personal cars when we come out.
But I don't.
That makes me very jumpy.
Just just to let you know as well, it's on body worn video as well, okay?
Alright. What are you jumpy about?
Well, my personal details going out on social media or something like that.
Like you're just assuming that it's gonna go on social media. Do you know any of this? Like you're just assuming.
No, I'm
like...
asking you.
Okay. What do you want me to say? Like,
Well, I want you to tell me what you're going to do with that information.
it's my own recreation, whatever I please to do with it.
So what makes you want to do it then?
I'm not interested in anyone's private plates. Who can pull information from your reg?
So why are you filming the cars when they come out of there then?
Because this is what I'm choosing to do with my time today.
Yeah, but why are you doing that? Did you
'Cause
say
I
you're not
wanna film.
interested in people's private
No,
plates?
I'm not.
You're recording when they come out of there.
What can I do with someone's private plate? Only yourselves in the
I've got
DVLA
no
can
idea.
pull that
I've
info.
got no idea.
Okay, well rest
But
assured I'm not
it makes
interested.
me feel very uncomfortable.
Alright, well Sergeant, rest assured I'm not interested in harming anyone or using your plate for any sort of
And also,
ulterior motives.
Being a police station, okay, this is a target of anyone for anything. And that makes me quite nervous that you're actually filming a police station.
Well, I can do it. I'm in public. I can film any police station I like. Do you think this is a valuable target for
Yeah, I do.
who?
I've got no idea.
Like who?
It's a police station.
So what, has this police station been attacked before? Like where's the basis for this?
The encounter escalates as a detective sergeant steps forward, bringing with him authority, presence, and a clear shift in tone. Attention sharpens on parked police vehicles and their number plates, prompting voice concerns and visible unease, with the implication becoming unmistakable. This filming is no longer seen as harmless, but suspicious. Remaining composed, the auditor methodically challenges these assumptions, calmly reinforcing his position as each point is raised. What began as simple curiosity now transforms into direct confrontation, marking a decisive turning point in the interaction.
Okay, what's a fact, is it?
It's a fact,
Alright, well
observation.
I'm just like rest assured I'm not here for no trouble.
Same fella. Have you been anywhere else today? No? You've been filming other police stations at all?
Is it your business?
Yeah, it is. I'm asking you now, yeah. Because if you're going around filming all the police stations, that
Yeah.
makes me feel very uneasy.
Right.
And
So
I think
what are you trying to
I
do?
need to investigate that.
Okay, what do you want to investigate?
Why you are filming Hampshire police stations? Is my conversation not clear? Are you not clear on what I'm saying?
I can film any police station, whether it's Hampshire, Surrey, any county.
Your personal details.
No, I won't. No.
First name, surname, date of birth, anything like that, address.
Why? Have I committed an offence?
I'm not saying you have, I'm just asking the question if you're willing to provide police with that
You
information.
seem very on edge. Is there anything I can do to put you at ease?
I told you why I'm on edge.
This is a camera, mate. I've
already
given you assurances that I'm
Have I
not here for any
explained to you why
trouble.
I'm on edge? Have I explained that? Have you not registered that?
I don't even think you are on edge. There's three of you. I've got a camera. Like you guys are armed. Like why would you be on edge? Should I not be the one that's on
Because
edge?
it's when we're coming
I
out
don't
in
know.
personal vehicles.
Yeah, but what can I possibly do with your personal vehicle?
tell me.
Then you should maybe consider taking the bus to work or something. I don't really understand.
So why should myself and my colleagues or our way of getting to work?
Because you're so
to-
concerned about
to
security
protect-
arrangements and whatnot. So
to-
if it's such a security risk,
I'll tell you why, because police officers get attacked on and off duty.
Right.
That's what makes me nervous.
Okay.
And they do that because people share our private information and track us down to where we live with our families. That makes me nervous.
so has there been any cases of someone filming private plates and then going on to attack
I've got no
police
idea.
officers? Well, if you don't have any idea, then you can't be making those assumptions. Like.
Well, I can.
Well, no, you just said
Because
I have no
work-
idea. Like
I
you're a
work in this
detective,
I
mate.
work in this industry, in the security industry, and I know police officers have been followed home. I know police officers' vehicles have been targeted.
This marks a decisive shift in tone as words like nervous and security begin to dominate the narrative, reframing the act of filming a police station from a lawful activity into something portrayed as potentially dangerous. The auditor directly challenges this reasoning, demanding facts over feelings, yet none are offered. Instead, visible unease takes the place of evidence, and that distinction is critical, because that very unease is now on the verge of being used as justification for what comes next.
I'm telling
I
you
know
that I'm not interested in harming any police
Yeah, but I
officer.
don't know that, do I?
All right, well then, what are we gonna? All right, how are we gonna proceed then?
Well, I'd like you to go if possible.
So is that gonna like? What does that achieve? Like, I'm not gonna go.
Well, it makes me feel better. I don't understand why you want to put me on this edge.
I'm not putting you. You're putting yourself. I don't even think you are on edge. I feel like you just want to come out and bark a few directives and stuff. Like,
Right, any
I
directives.
feel like you want to flex a bit of perceived jurisdiction that you've got.
Really,
Like,
I'm too old for that, really, if I'm honest.
all right, well then let's leave it at that. It's Friday afternoon. I've engaged. I've told you I'm not here for trouble. Like, I feel like
You haven't given a good reason for doing it.
I don't need a reason though. What I'm doing is lawful.
I'm not saying it's not lawful.
Okay, so why would I need a reason?
It's just like my colleague is explaining it.
Do I have to account for my actions in a public place doing something legal? You can find it strange. It's not illegal if it's strange. Like, I don't have to say anything.
It's definitely suspicious behaviour around police stations in the current state of affairs around the world, isn't it?
What state of affairs?
When people are getting, Royal Police officers are getting injured, like my colleague said, on and off duty, it just makes it's a bit concerning.
What, on the basis
officers
of being
working.
filmed? Like,
But it's like, we keep going around in circles now, don't we? But is there anything you need to report to us today?
No.
Is that the reason why you're here?
no,
No? Why are you here then?
to film.
Why to film?
Because this
are
is
you
what I
achieving
want to
from
do.
filming? Do you not see from our point of view that it could be considered a bit of a security risk?
No,
Why? Okay.
because I'm not trying to. I'm not doing it covertly. I'm doing it. It's very overt, right in front of your face. I'm giving you ample opportunity to grab me, like
It may make
perspective.
it may make other members of the public that see you doing this, and obviously police officers and police staff coming out of there, be on edge. Why is he filming me? Okay.
Because we're in public. You guys have got cameras everywhere. Like, you're filming.
And there's
Like,
CCTV all the way around.
of
the city,
course there
isn't
is,
there?
exactly. So what? I don't know why we've got such
And
a
obviously today we've
front
got another one.
Do you not
about
think that
filming.
the police station
The situation intensifies as officers begin demanding answers: name, purpose, justification. Yet the auditor calmly and lawfully refuses, reiterating that exercising a legal right does not require explanation. His refusal is quickly branded as suspicious, marking a critical turning point where lawful conduct is subtly reframed as potential wrongdoing. The pressure becomes increasingly palpable, signaling a shift from routine questioning to a more confrontational stance.
be a security risk?
Is it not a secure building? Like,
That wasn't my question. Do you concede that people may want to target a police station?
no,
You don't concede
because
that?
it's not. I don't think it's a valuable target. I don't know what sort of people you're referring to.
Well, anyone. Terrorists for one. Anyone. Terrorists for one.
Okay, well, I don't believe that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. It's not like a civilian dense place, is it?
No, but it's related
It
to
wouldn't
a
be
government
easy to plan.
organisation, and people like to target the government. And the
They
police
don't
is
though,
how
do
do
they?
that.
Terrorists don't target government, do they? They
Yeah.
go for they
That's why it's
blow up
called
buses
terrorism.
or
No,
train
that's why it's
stations and
called
that.
terrorism. Because it's specifically
Or to coerce the government into doing something. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly right. You got it. See, you're starting to get it now.
Well, I've never not got it. I just don't think that this is a valuable target for a terrorist. I don't think police personnel are targets for
filming?
terrorists. Excuse me?
Are you even filming?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or just
I'm not a terrorist. Like,
Just holding your phone, or is it run out of battery or anything? Or
no, I'm holding it.
Still work? Let's have a look.
Why do you want to have a
Just
look?
asking, question
No, you're
mark.
good.
Just
But
curious.
what's wrong with just chill, man? Why you got such an attitude, man?
Okay. Attitude.
It's filming, bro. Rest assured, it's filming. Like, I don't think this is a valuable target for a terrorist. Has the police station ever been attacked
Yeah. up in
by a
London,
terrorist? Has they?
Yeah. London
Which
police
one?
stations have been attacked quite regularly.
I don't think they have.
Okay.
Name a few.
Well, name one then.
So, yeah.
So you can't name them, but you're saying that it's happening. Well, which one then?
I can tell you, but I won't. Say.
What?
I can tell you, but I won't.
You can tell me, but you won't.
Yeah.
All right, that's
It's
a bit odd. I don't know
same
why.
as you, not giving a reason for being here.
Yeah, but I'm not making an argument that police stations have been attacked before.
Okay. Search the internet. You might find some information.
I have. I wouldn't be irresponsible and do this if I didn't know that. If this was like a genuine security risk and this genuinely posed a threat, I wouldn't be irresponsible and come and do this. Believe me. And if this was behaviour that I knew that
The stakes escalate dramatically as terrorism is explicitly introduced, with police stations framed as potential targets in an attempt to justify growing suspicion. Remaining composed, the auditor methodically challenges the claim, highlighting inconsistencies and the absence of real-world precedent. Despite the officer's inability to provide concrete examples, their suspicion persists, revealing the fragile and increasingly strained justification being constructed in real time.
engaged in,
But it is.
I would
They
have
film
no.
targets. They
What,
definitely-
overtly
Well, they might
with,
do.
with this little crappy
How do
little
I know You're
gimbal.
not a terrorist. How do I know that? How do I know that?
You don't know that, but you have to go
Exactly
based
right.
on what you do know. There needs to be an objective
Yeah, so
basis.
What I do know is I've got a man who's not willing to give his details stood in front of me who's filming police stations.
Okay,
So that's what I do know. That's the facts.
okay.
Is it not?
So me filming does not implicate me as any sort of like prospective terrorist
No,
or
but it raises
otherwise.
my suspicion.
Well, you can be suspicious all you want. Like it's not a crime. You suspecting me of doing something is not a crime. You need to have some sort of reasonable suspicion or objective basis to suspect me as a terrorist.
No, well, at the moment, I think you are filming a police station
Yeah.
with no reason to do that. You are refusing to give your details. I have no idea where that information's going, and I know you have filmed other Hampshire police stations.
Okay, so how do we proceed?
I don't know, do we have a power of search? Section 44? 43, is it? I think we can do that. I think we can do that.
You sure you want to do that?
Oh, yeah, I do.
I don't think you got grounds for a Section 43 search.
Well, I'm telling you, I think I do. Okay, so.
No, well, it's not about thinking. This is objective. It's not an opinion,
Okay,
is
okay,
it?
look.
The legislation's black and white. It's not. I think.
You can have this conversation with the solicitor afterwards, and they can come after me at a later date. That's absolutely fine. Okay, that's your right.
So you're going to abuse my rights now, yeah?
Okay, no, I'm not. I'm going to use our powers.
Okay.
So what I'm saying, I find your behaviour very suspicious.
Okay.
You are filming not just this police station in Hampshire, but other police stations in Hampshire. You can give me no.
Listen to what you're saying, Hampshire.
No legal reason why you are doing that, other than because you want to.
Yeah,
You are
that's. I don't
refusing
need a
your details,
reason.
So we can't even verify who you are or what you are doing it for. Therefore,
I'm not obliged to
I
give
consider
details.
that to be quite a big terrorist risk. Okay, so you are now detained for this search.
The encounter reaches a critical escalation as officers begin openly discussing their powers, signaling a decisive shift in intent. The auditor remains composed, listening carefully, and then it happens: detention under the Terrorism Act. With no concrete evidence or specific intelligence, the justification rests solely on filming, a lawful refusal to identify, and visible unease. In that moment, the line is unmistakably crossed, transforming a routine public audit into a clear deprivation of liberty, a turning point the audience immediately recognizes as significant.
Free of the Terrorism Act.
Can I leave this running?
Of course you can, absolutely. So these officers are going to search you now in order to see if there is anything that needs to raise that suspicion even further.
So what items? Who's conducting the search firstly?
These two are going to conduct the search.
But you've just
Yeah, I've
launched
given
with
you
it.
grounds.
So what are these officers going to be searching for?
Anything related to terrorism.
Such as
or
what? That's a bit abstract, isn't it? Any sort of
Well, it
specific
is.
items?
Not at the moment. That's what
Maps?
that's what we are doing it for. To confirm who you are. That may help us.
So you're searching for my ID?
Well, no, and anything relating to terrorism. So if all of a sudden we find ID and that says actually this bloke's okay, there's nothing to worry about.
I am okay. I've told you I'm okay.
Yeah, I know you've told me, but I don't know that. Or it might say he's on a terrorist watch list, and then we've got something to worry about, haven't we? So
You're not going to find my info
Okay,
though.
that's fine, but they're going to search you for that purpose.
This
okay?
power doesn't. I don't have to provide my information in this power.
No, I'm not asking to provide anything.
But you just said you're hoping to find ID, this and that. Like,
Yeah, if they find it, we'll look at it. That's what's going to happen.
can I get your collar number, please?
Yeah, 3358. Detective Sergeant Jamie Wiseman, Southampton Police Station, Hampshire
It's
Constabulary.
abusing civil rights at the moment. Yeah, it's my
Okay,
perfect
that's
right to
fine.
film it from public.
Yeah, of course you have.
Yeah. So why are you infringing on that?
I've told you that. Have you not understood what I've said?
You know you can be sued in a civil court.
That's absolutely fine. You can go down that route. I haven't got a problem with that.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, I do.
Okay, I'm not going to obstruct the search.
Ready?
Okay, cool.
My colleague's going to do the search.
All right.
What's your first name? Are we able to see?
I'm not going to give you my name, my friend.
It's just so we can have better communication skills. That's all
All
it is.
right. Can I keep this in my hand?
Give me
You're
a hand,
a big guy. I'm not going to.
So all I want to do is so that I can communicate with you, so I can tell you what I'm going to do.
All right.
before I
No,
do
you
it.
crack on, mate.
So what's your name?
I'm not going to give my.
First name. That's all I want.
Is this a search or is this trying to find my details? Like, I don't really
So
understand. What...
you've already been told the grounds.
The situation formalizes as the auditor is informed he will be searched under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act. Throughout, he remains calm, compliant, and vocal, challenging the grounds, legality, and intent behind the action. The officer insists the power is justified, doubling down on authority, creating a palpable apex where state power asserts itself fully, an intense moment that makes the audience acutely aware of the weight and reach of official authority.
Sir, how about that?
Okay, sir, you've already been told the grounds. So
Okay.
PC file from Southampton Central Police Station. The reason we're searching you is because you're acting suspicious outside a police
I
station.
thought he explained the grounds.
Yeah, no, we've got to go through something prior to doing the search.
Go wisely, yeah?
Okay, there you go. Yes,
Let my colleague explain it.
there we go.
Sure.
Okay, so that's obviously the grounds for the search. You can see my warrant card if you'd like to see my
No,
warrant
it's
card.
cool.
Okay.
Let's get on with it.
Okay. Of the search is in order to essentially see if there is anything that you have on your possessions that is involved with terrorism, okay, or anything, okay. Was that sorry? And you can have a copy of the search if you
Yes,
like
please.
a
Yes,
copy
please.
of the
Yes,
search.
please. Yes, please.
Okay.
Your detained for the purpose of.
And you're detained for the section 44. Okay, if you can step forward for me, just so I don't.
Steve, hands away from your waist whilst my colleagues search you. In the meantime, maybe take your bag off your shoulders, please.
This ain't good, you know.
Hey?
Sergeant, this isn't good. Like, you should be like preserving people's rights. Like, you should be encouraging.
Sharp or anything like that?
No. You should be encouraging like this sort of citizen journalism and stuff. Like, you got to work with photographers and stuff like that to help identify criminals and that. Do you know what I mean? You wanna go put on a jacket or something?
I am a bit cold, but I'm all right.
So you weren't dealing with a terrorist, like.
Do you carry ID with you?
No.
Do you drive?
Yeah.
You drive. How did you arrive here today?
Don't know.
Train. It's been a Fareham today, haven't you? And then the station's just there, so possibly been travelling by train.
Search your waistband.
Yep.
I suspect.
As the physical search unfolds, the auditor calmly questions the logic without offering resistance, while officers proceed methodically, uncovering nothing. Yet the accusatory tone persists, with inquiries expanding far beyond the original justification. This moment starkly illustrates how quickly extraordinary powers, once invoked, can begin to feel routine, normalizing a level of scrutiny that was never initially warranted.
Say again, sorry.
Should Pronto work for the search?
Yes, it does, mate. Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't. Get you straighten your arm out for me. I'm just going to check that.
You local to Southampton? Local to Fareham? Local to here?
No.
No, where did you come from then?
I'm not gonna answer that.
I'm just going to check the front.
Travelling here by car, is that where you got
Yeah.
Mercedes keys on you?
Right, so put-
And the bag as well, mate.
So what? Could you go over the grounds one more time?
I think he's already done it.
So what are the grounds? The fact that I'm filming and not giving my name.
It's been explained by the sergeant, it's been explained by my colleague as well.
Oh, what's these? This is the armed response unit, is it? Is this like the counter-terrorism unit? No, I'm not being funny, genuinely. No, you don't
I
want to
don't
answer.
find this funny either.
No.
I find this...
Would you find it? Potential terrorist behaviour, is it? Is that what you find
at
it?
the end of the day, we're just exercising our powers where we feel they're right.
Yeah.
And we're dealing with what we see in front of us, alright?
Right. So you done with that? Like, do you want to keep? Why are you keeping hold of that?
Open and closing it. That's all I'm doing is open and closing.
Oh, can I have my property back?
No, not yet. We haven't finished the search. We're still detained for this moment of time.
Yeah.
722.
Who are they? Is that the counter-terrorism unit?
Is it?
Is it? Yeah. No.
Counter-terrorism rules don't work here.
That's where you're right.
Can I get my?
The focus now shifts to the auditor's travel history, locality, and associations, yet he lawfully refuses to cooperate, citing relevant case law. Officers reference counter-terror units and threat assessments, making it clear to the audience that the search has moved beyond objects to scrutinizing identity itself, a line that was never sanctioned by law, exposing the widening scope of authority under the guise of procedure.
We're detained for the purpose of search at the moment.
What about? Do you want to check that this isn't like a weapon or something?
Should we?
I don't know. Like, you need to do a comprehensive search. Like, don't leave any stone unturned.
Sorry, Charlie, ready around about you.
You know, if you keep abusing this legislation, like, you're going to lose it, you know. You were going to say Section 44, like, that was repealed because you were just searching people without no ground. Not you, but officers were searching people with no grounds.
This decision's way above my pay grade, isn't it?
No, I know, of course, but, like, the European Court of Human Rights repealed that legislation for this reason. So, like, the more cases of this Section 43 power being used and negative outcomes of searches and whatnot, eventually you're going to lose it.
Okay.
And I believe it's an important piece of legislation to actually catch real terrorists.
Yeah.
I'll be interested to know how many of these searches
Oh,
resulted in
Well, I'm gonna give you those
in
figures.
convictions. I know you can't. I don't think there have been any. I'll be interested to know if any convictions have come as a result. Can you? I don't know why he's holding on to my property still.
Because you're still detained for a search at the moment.
Okay.
Uh, 25 to 36 foot.
Were you expecting to find like an ISIS membership card or something like?
Tattoos or anything? Any tattoos? I was going to put this property.
Why does it matter?
Because I'm asking you to see if I can help. See if I can help myself.
Why am I going to
identify who
help
are.
you, Lynn? I don't have to
I don't know,
assist
you
you.
might-
I don't have to assist you in an investigation, do I?
It's not an investigation.
Rice vs Connolly, 1966. I don't have to assist you.
The auditor flips the narrative, citing the repeal of Section 44, European human rights rulings, and the dangers of misusing terrorism legislation, warning that such abuse erodes public trust and undermines the law itself. Officers listen but continue to hold his property, highlighting the stark irony. A law designed to prevent terror is, in practice, creating it.
Say again, sorry.
I don't have to assist you.
I haven't asked. Okay.
Okay, well, just letting you know my position. Like,
No, 46 call down. Yeah.
Just film it, that's all.
yeah. Any?
The search concludes with a clear result. Nothing, no weapons, no materials, no evidence, yet the detention persists. Officers now press openly for the auditor's identity, exceeding the scope allowed under Section 43, exposing a stark and undeniable contradiction. In this moment, the fragile veneer of legality unravels before the camera, revealing the widening gap between authority and lawful procedure.
Stay. Where did you put it, mate? In here.
That front over there.
All right. Can I get a copy of the search slip, please?
Yeah, 2 seconds.
So I'm free to go. I'm free to stay as well.
We don't know who you are, do we? We can't write your details in there, can we? 'Cause you won't tell us what they are.
Employ, mate, you're doing nothing wrong.
Yeah, I know, mate. You don't need to write my name. Just obviously explain the grounds for the search.
Where are you going to go now?
I'm not going anywhere.
You're interested?
No, I'm staying. I'll just stay here.
You ever been arrested before?
Don't worry. In due time, you'll find out everything you need to know.
Okay. I'll wait in due time and then I'll know who you are, won't I?
Oh, well, I can't go.
2020, correct form officers, probably what it's called, issues,
What do you define your own ethnicity? Sorry? I'm white and all.
That's our one.
Probably 6.
Go to the one where it's got
Are you new to this? Are you?
like B1,
Not for this film, I am,
B1,
yeah.
B2.
There we go.
Are you new to this job? Are you?
No, not particularly.
Well, make
But
sure
I am
you
to
don't.
this form.
That one.
What one was it? Sorry, just to make sure. A9.
Hey guys, you alright? Is he recording cars as they're coming out of there? Yeah.
The auditor is finally told he is free to leave, yet the pressure persists. Questions continue, comments escalate, and talk of seizure and security breaches lingers. Even at the conclusion, authority resists fully releasing control, leaving the video to close not with resolution but with palpable unease. Viewers are left confronting the crucial question: if this can occur with the camera on, what happens when it isn't?